Would you like to have 5 income streams and only have to use one funnel? Okay, let me show you how you can do that or where you can get it from. First of all, you go in there and you start here and you click on the links. These are capture pages. They call them links, but they're capture pages. You can there's lots of them, so you can use one or as many as you want. It's entirely up to you. Then you go back into the system and you look at all the training that you get with this system. First of all, you get weekly training. Then you get your marketing system training. Now, this is a great benefit to show you how to do better marketing. Look at all the training you get in here. And you don't have to do these all at once. You can do 1 or 2 or whatever and come back. And eventually you'll get them all done. And you go back into the training again. And there's a 7-step training. Now, this one you should do before you get started because it shows you how to work the system. Okay, the first one says work on you. That means work on your personality. Then the next one shows you, lesson 2 shows you where you get the traffic. Lesson 7 shows you how to do the follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook, and Lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You do not need much time, but you do need a little bit. It will not work all by itself. And then once you're in there, see there's Lesson 7, a few more bonuses in there. And then you exit the training and go back into the system again. And once you click on there, it shows you all the people that are on your team, and there's your leads. Once you start advertising, you get an email with each lead. So you have all the information to follow up. Yes, the company follows up, but if they want to work with you, they want to hear from you. Then if you want to go there, you can see who's all on the leaderboard, and then you go to resources. Now, these are sample emails you can use to do your advertising. You can use them. There's quite a few in here. Or you can use your own, whatever you feel like. It's entirely up to you. Then if you click on there, it shows you all the businesses, like the 5 businesses. And then I got a bonus business I'll show you later if I don't forget. Then now I'll show you the email swipes. I guess that's what I'm showing you already. Anyway, and the banners, you can use for your advertising. Look at all the banners you get that you can use for advertising. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back and then you can use these for your social image advertising. So there's lots of stuff in here to help you with your advertising. Then you go and Face shows you how to do your Facebook ad posts, and there it shows you where to get your traffic. Okay, and then now let's say you like all this, you'd like to get started. You go here to get started, and I'm going to put a link under the video to show, Matt will show you, explain the whole system to you. It's about 21 minutes. And I'm also going to put my contact information under there so you can contact me if you want more information. And you've got step 2 and step 3. This is where you can put your own, like 1 and 4, they're in the system. But 2 and 3, you can put your own ads in there. And I got 2 in there. If you haven't got any of your own, you can take a look at these. They're each under $10, and they're both good opportunities. So it's entirely up to you. Then you got, okay, well, now I'm going to show you my bonus. I always keep forgetting about my bonus. Now, this is another place I get leads. For you, $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and every 24 hours you get another 100 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission, and you also get another 100 leads a day. So by the end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads. So that's an amazing deal for that. So be sure to check that out once you get in there. Okay, I don't know what more I was going to tell you today. I think pretty well. Yeah, and I hope you people are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for this week, and we'll talk to you next week, and we'll get what I missed this week. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for listening.